Right, I'm at Stainland St Andrew's Church. It's open because it's CVE day. I want to get this and get the bells played so I can hear them, because this is the only chance I'm going to get to do it. There were 6 bells in this church and they're hung dead as an Ellicombe chime apparatus. I came up once when Father Rodney was in charge, but he's not here now, so I've only done it once when he was here, but I didn't have a video camera then, so I've got it for Christmas. So I'm going to do in here, in Stainland St Andrew's Church, so I can see what it looks like. Looks like Slough, doesn't it? It's a Georgian church. Nice church, isn't it? We'll put this on YouTube. Because normally it's always closed when I come past here. So this is Stainland St Andrew's Parish Church. So this is what this church is. I'm inside. Last time I came was when Father Rodney was in charge then, but he's now in Ellicombe, so I'm going to have to try and get the bells back in place. Oops, sorry. Nice, isn't it? Oh yes, it's lovely. It's going on my YouTube. Absolutely is. I'm glad I got in here, because normally what happens is this church is always closed during the day because it's locked up because of health and safety rules. And it's also a bit like Holmfirth Parish Church and Shrewsbury St Chad's. It's got a texture of that. So that's what it reminds me of. And it reminds me of Birmingham's St Philip's Cathedral in Birmingham. It reminds me of all that as well. It's got a right good texture of it. Nice, isn't it? What it is. I love churches, and so does my friend Graham Vince. He likes them. So it's good to get them on before they don't have them anymore. That's the clock striking 5. Sounds like, that sounded like Lightcliffe's tenor bell did that. Sounded like Lightcliffe, St Matthew's, that tenor bell. So, lovely church you've got in here. I'm pleased with it. Wow. Your bag's on there, don't leave that. No, what? It should tell you what when they were brought in. Ah, there they are. "1985 they were brought in, 16 volunteers did all but specialists." Yeah. Very nice church inside you've got here, I'm pleased with it. Now, all I need now is the bells. That's all I need to get so I can hear what they sound like. But somebody would have to play them and then I can hear them outside. Hopefully, 'cause it's the only chance I've got